Okay, it is raining and snowing here in Minnesota, so I wasn't able to put my really pretty spring flowers out yet, but I wanted to add a pop of color inside my house. So for the meantime, until it's time to decorate my porch for spring, we're just doing it on the inside of the house. These flowers are so gorgeous and were so easy to shape into this huge vase. I actually only have, I think, 8 of these stems in here right now. I pulled out some of the reds, the purples, and the pinks, and look how full it looks. It looks honestly really pretty. And then I still have 4 other stems in here. So this is what one piece looks like. This isn't fluffed up, obviously, but you can fluff it and shape it really easily so that you can kind of give it the look that you want. So there's 3 of each color, 3 reds, 3 pinks, 3 red, or I just said reds, and 3 yellows and 3 purples. So a total of 12 pieces, and so affordable. I'm excited to put it into my planter because it's obviously going to be like an even larger scale with all 12 pieces in there. So it'll look really pretty once I can finally decorate my porch. But I added a little, here, let me move this ugly box. Added just a little pop of color to my console table. I used to just have that like grass in that pot, but this is so much better. It looks amazing. This brand actually sent me these flower stems, and I'm really impressed with the quality of them. They're really pretty and really good quality.